Hello! In this video, you will learn about the folk dance called Sakuting. You will know its history, the purpose of this dance, and its importance. I hope you will listen because folk dances are very important since they reflect one's culture. Anyway, going on with the video. This video was made by Group 5. I hope you enjoy watching this video. The brief history and background of the dance. This folk dance is originally for boys only, and it portrays a fight using sticks. A normal sakuting stick is 1.5 feet long, and it is tapered at the end, much similar of a candle. Its original use is for combat training. Its dance form is the komedia, or a theatrical dance, also called moro-moro, and it features a batala. Arnis is a traditional Filipino art of stick fighting. This is like taekwondo. Both have the purpose of giving out self-defense, but Arnis uses sticks, while taekwondo does not. Anyway, Arnis was not allowed before when the Spanish is colonizing Philippines. So, what the people did is that they put Arnis movements into steps in folk dances, such as the Sakuting. Basically, Sakuting is just a two-stick Arnis exercise, but with music. This shows how clever people back then. The traditional music style of Sakuting is heavily influenced by the Spanish and Chinese. These countries helped the formation of the Sakuting folk dance. The music itself is played by rondalla, a native string ensemble of plectrum instruments, influenced by the Spanish stringed instruments that includes bandurria, laúd, octavina, mandola, guitarra, and banjo de uñas, or double bass.